Good morning students. In class 8 we have completed indirect and direct speech. Okay, so now we will start chapter 19, punctuation and capital letters. So what is punctuation and capital letters? Punctuation marks indicate pauses that are used in written text to separate sentences or to separate a part of sentence from another to convey a clear meaning. That means एक sentence में कुछ पार्टीशंस यानी कुछ सेंटेंस फॉर्मेटिंग ऐसे शो कराना जिसमें आप उसका क्लियर मीनिंग समझ सको, बिकॉज मिक्सअप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस हमें पता नहीं लग पाता व्हाट डू यू वांट टू कन्वे अ मैसेज, आप क्या बताना चाहते हैं. तो पंक्चुएशन से यू विल गेट द प्रॉपर मीनिंग एंड द प्रॉपर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेस कि व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नरेट, आप बताना क्या चाहते हैं, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डिस्क्राइब. सो इन दिस केसेस वी आर हैविंग 10 पंक्चुएशंस जस्ट लाइक फुल स्टॉप, इसका अलग यूज़ है. मार्क ऑफ इंटरगेशन एज यू नो, क्वेश्चन मार्क. मार्क ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन जो अलग मीनिंग बताता है. दैट मीन्स you have to understand the real meaning of the sentences by using proper punctuation. Comma, semicolon, colon, apostrophe, quotation marks और inverted commas जो basically हम reported speech में use भी करते हैं, dash and hyphen. Fine. So today we will start one by one and we will understand what is full stop, what is mark of interrogation and so on. Fine. First topic is the full stop. So basically to use full stop you have to understand it is a part of ending of sentences. It says sentence has been finished. अगर आप किसी सेंटेंस में फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं that means वो सेंटेंस पूरी तरह से ख़त्म हो चुका है. Now you have to start another sentence. Full stop indicates the complete ending of the sentences which is so compulsory to use in a sentence. So we used a full stop to close a statement or command. कोई भी sentences का अगर आपको end करना है तो you have to start with or you have to end with full stop. For example, the students are attending the classes. I am using full stop because it has been finished completely. वो पूरी तरह से finish हो चुका है. That's why I am using full stop. Fine. My mother has cooked the food. Sentence proper finish हो चुका है. So you have to use full stop in the end of any sentences. You can use in a command portion also. Just don't touch next wire या फिर bring a glass of water. ठीक है. Please help the needy persons. These are sentences which has been completed with full stop. Now we have to say ये एक proper sentences है because we have finished with full stop. Fine. The first one we can say with statement or command. We use full stop. Second one, we use full stop after abbreviation for titles. abbreviations for titles, names, degrees. Names, degrees. So what is abbreviations? These are basically short forms of any degrees, names and titles. For example, if you want to write doctor, so you have to use DR, doctor. If you want to write engineer, so you write ER. If you want to write चीफ मिनिस्टर, यू राइट CM. तो ये इसकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म होती है ना, तो उसमें भी हम फुल स्टॉप का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if you want to write Dr. Harmeet Singh, in this case you have to use doctor. It will be called DR, doctor. HS. All right, it will be called short form of doctor, that means DR full stop. Fine. In the cases of Harmeet Singh, you have to use H full stop S. It will indicate the full stop statement that it is used a part of abbreviation. Fine. And you can use in degrees also. Just like Bachelor of Commerce, you have to use BCom, MCom, BEd, fine, MA, fine. In this case, you have to use it. And in case of PM, you also use PM and CM, fine. So basically with abbreviations you also use full stop, fine. Third, decimal fraction. With decimal fraction, just like full stop between numbers. (24.05), 19.92, fine, 200.1, 17.6. So also it is used for decimal fraction also. All right. So still we have understood we use full stop with the end of sentences, any statement, any command. Second, any degree, title, fine, and names also. So we use full stop to indicate decimal fraction also. Second one, the mark of interrogation. The mark of interrogation. In this case, the mark of interrogation is placed at the end of a question. तो किसी भी क्वेश्चन के स्टेटमेंट के एंड में आप ऐड करोगे, बट यू शुड नो कि वहाँ पर वो स्टेटमेंट वैलिड है या नहीं. इट मीन्स इफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज बीइंग यूज्ड बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंटरगेटिव फॉर्मेशन. तो वो भी आपको ध्यान रखना है. फॉर आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, कैसे उसको कर सकते हैं. दे हैड planted a tree. We cannot use exclamatory mark in it because it is not a part of interrogation. तो यहाँ पे full stop का use करेंगे. But if you use had before the subject, had they planted a tree, now you have to use question mark. Fine. For example, they are not coming to party. We have to use full stop because it is not a part of question statement. But if you use are before the subject, are they not coming to party? Now you have to use question mark after the end of sentences. Clear? तो आज हमने पंक्चुएशन में दो टॉपिक्स क्लियर करे हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज full stop and the second one interrogative. In upcoming lecture we will continue the topic, so read it carefully. Thank you so much.